Hey everybody, welcome to West Colt Off-Road. Today we're making motor mounts for our small block Chevy. We got a few different things here. We got bolts, bushings, and a couple different styles of tab. This stuff we got from Barnes 4-wheel drive. We also have some motor mount plates that we made to match the dimensions on the block. Alright, we're going to get the first one set up. Little trick I like to do is take your bolt, your first tab, and put your bushing on. Then make a thin metal washer to put on between the bushing and your second tab. That way after you weld it, you can get the bushing in and out and it doesn't close up on you. Alright, first mount's welded up. Now we'll weld up the second one. Alright, so for the frame side and motor mounts, we're going to use 1.5 inch steel tube, 1/8 inch wall. I've got the tubes already prepped with the cope to match the bushing. And then we're gonna weld just a metal bracket to the frame. That way I've got a lot more surface to weld. To figure out my tubes, I got my metal piece down here on the frame. And then I took a piece of cardboard and cut it out to match the tube. And then you can stick it in, figure out your angle. That way, hopefully, you only have to cut your tube once. Hey everybody, it's been a few days, but we're back in the shop, hoping to get these motor mounts finished up. I've been doing a little work off camera, got the body back off, getting some things ready to go. Here's where we're at. Ended up getting some Hedman YJ small block Chevy swap headers. Puts the outlet down on the floor right where we want it. Motor mounts are clamped to the frame. We're gonna hope to get those all welded up today. Another thing I did that I didn't do on camera is built the transmission cross member. So similar to the motor mounts, used tabs and bushings from Barnes 4-wheel drive, made a tube, did a little clearance for the front drive shaft, turned out pretty sweet. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, let's see if we can get this engine and transmission pulled out of here. That actually went better than expected. All right, here's the finished product. Motor mounts, frame side and engine side. And here's the transmission mount. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.